Just a quick status update on the bus. It is still in the shop. I stopped by on Friday, so it's been in the shop for a little over a week now, and it sounds like they still haven't ordered the fuel lines that they need. I don't know if that's because they're having troubles finding the fuel lines. It sounded like they might have had troubles finding them on Monday when I talked to them, but whatever the case, nothing seems to have happened. Nothing's been ordered. The manager who runs the place apparently has been on vacation, and he got back on Friday and said he would get on top of things, make sure those parts actually got ordered. But until then, I'm just basically waiting, working, still living in my car, and I'm hoping that once those parts get ordered, should be sometime this week, I think, then I can get back out on the road again. There's only maybe 1 or 2 hours of labor to actually get the bus ready to go, and it doesn't sound like the shop is too busy. It's just a matter of getting the parts in.